Leadership is not about personality, it's about principles. Leadership is not about charm, it's about character. I've seen shy men and women, but with an absolute commitment to the right principles and values, and with a high level of competence, and with a philosophy that leadership is not about me, it's about we. I've seen those leaders excel. Ordinary people who do their level best and who are honest, high integrity and competent, they achieve more sustainable success. So leaders are born, but everybody can develop into a capable leader